All right, today is 1/10/24, and we're going to be changing the front tires on a CRV. So go forward a little bit, just like this much. So we want this to be right here. Right there. Okay, good. So you can see these tires are pretty gone right there. These are the wear indicators. If your finger go right across, that means you've hit 2/32. And then there is no tread underneath, so these are pretty much not legal to drive. And then, yep, so let's go ahead and make sure we're in the middle. Now we're gonna lift up for the first time, but we're gonna need some electricity. All right, let's lift up this car. We just got this lift working yesterday. Hopefully everything's gonna work out. And we're gonna go up by hitting this button here. Oh no, I see the hydraulic leaking. It wasn't a good seal somewhere. Why does the Honda CRV have this? What is that about? All right, so I guess we're gonna have to put some blocks here. We'll continue with this video by putting some blocks in.